Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maryam and I am glad that you are here. In today's video, I'm going to be working with the Floral Flurries Washi Tape and the Dot Art stamp set, both from Altenew, as well as some other things that you'll be seeing throughout this video. Also, all of the products that I'm using today were provided by Altenew. Okay, so let's get into the process. I started by positioning the on the plus side stencil onto a white sheet of cardstock and applied some of the Altenew embossing paste with the help of my palette knife. I just love the texture that this paste adds to my projects, and that is why I'm using it today. Okay, so once I finished that part, I cleaned my stencil and my palette knife, of course, and I let the page dry for a couple of hours, and while I was waiting for it to dry, I continued to work on the rest of my project. One of my favorite techniques when it comes to scrapbooking is fussy cutting, and the Floral Flurries Washi Tape is perfect for this. So in order to do this technique, I adhere some of the washi tape onto white cardstock and then fussy cut the flowers, leaving a white border all the way around. I have to say that this took me a couple of hours and I ended up with more flowers than I actually needed, but I guess I'm just going to save them for another project. Following this, I pulled out the Dot Art stamp set and stamped one of the leaves onto vellum paper with the Altenew Embossing Ink. Next, I took the Antique Gold Crisp Embossing Powder, sprinkled it on the previously stamped image, tap it off the excess, and then I added heat to melt that powder. I needed 5 of these leaves to my layout, so I repeated this process 5 times and then fussy cut around each of them. Once I had all the elements I wanted to add to my page, I played with them and put them in different parts of the page until I decided the final placement, which was the floral wreath. To adhere the gold embossed leaves, I use little squares of double-sided tape, and for the fussy cut flowers, I use foam squares to give them a little more dimension. The photo and the journaling were also adhered with foam adhesive. For the title of my page, I used the alphabet stickers from the Live Your Dream collection to spell the words happy and faith. To finish my page, I added some wood veneer hearts and some enamel dots around the wreath. Okay, so that is it for today. If you're interested in the products I use, they are listed down below as usual. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring that little bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, don't forget to visit my blog for more inspiration and to follow me on social media. I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great day. Bye!